In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Bristles for Glaze in Krita. The Bristles for Glaze brush preset is designed for glazing and building up color, with soft, semi-transparent strokes. It's a great choice for adding subtle color variations, smooth transitions, and depth to your paintings. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker, or open it manually. Search for Bristles for Glaze and select the brush preset. For the best results, use a drawing tablet with pressure sensitivity. Light pressure applies gentle, transparent strokes, while heavier pressure builds up stronger color with each pass. Paint using smooth, controlled strokes and vary your pen pressure as you work. Build up the effect gradually by applying multiple strokes where you want deeper color or smoother transitions if needed. Adjust the brush size using the left and right bracket keys or the size slider. Larger brush sizes are useful for glazing over wider areas, while smaller sizes provide more control in detailed sections. Use Bristles for Glaze when painting portraits, landscapes, concept art, or any artwork where you want to layer color gradually and create soft, painterly blends. And that's how to use Bristles for Glaze in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.